I really want to cancel. It is 8 p.m. and pickup is at 12:30 in the morning. My anxiety is getting the best of me. Having to hike and then having to hike up a volcano at that. I honestly want to just cancel. Today is the day where the girl becomes a woman. That's a bit dramatic, but this is something that I'm actually dreading to do. It's one of those things where you know you're dreading to do it, but the payoff and the reward at the end will be by far the most amazing thing.
Let's face it, we all could benefit from a little bit of courage. Fear is powerful enough to keep us from achieving our goals and living our best lives. In fact, fear enables us to instinctively protect ourselves from harm. However, oftentimes, fear comes from simply not knowing very much about the thing we fear. Many people are living in self-made prisons caused by fear. I vowed on this journey, fear would not be my captor.
We have just arrived at the starting point to where we will do our 2-hour hike up the volcanic mountain. I cannot believe, honestly, that I'm about to do this here by myself. But meet our tour guide.
Hi, my name is Justice. I'm the tour guide for Ijen, and welcome to Ijen.
Justice is going to be our guide for the next couple of hours. He's going to be our protector for the next several hours. So, some coffee. There's a fire over there. It's a little cold out this morning. I really didn't prepare for this, honestly. Obviously, I see people with the windbreakers on. And what was I thinking? I wasn't. This is okay. And the gag is, I did bring my woman's cup, you know, the cup that I used to go camping. I left it at the hostel. That's the gag. So we're provided with the essentials. We have our headlamp here and our, what is this called?
Gas mask.
Gas mask, thank you. And our gas mask. We'll need this for the blue fire. We'll see how it goes. Here we go, guys. I can't believe I'm doing this crap out here by myself. And it's not crap. I take that back. It's not crap, but it's exciting.
I'm embarking on a 5-hour midnight journey to the crater lake of Mount Ijen. Known to the locals as Kawah Ijen, it is an active volcano crater located in East Java, Indonesia, near the small seaside town of Banyuwangi.
So we'll hike about 1 to 2 hours, depending on my pace, and we'll gain about 1,400 feet in elevation. Oh, this is crazy. I don't know, because it's out of my comfort zone.
You never go for the hiking before?
Yes, hiking small, but not
Like a trekking.
Not trekking and not volcano.
Taxi.
No, thank you.
So not only tourists, there's also miners working now. If you hear sounds, people say, miners, you have to move.
Okay.
People going down the priority, miners the priority.
Gotcha.
All right, guys, we've made it to the easy part. An hour and 32 minutes in. And we finally made it to the easy part. We're not finished. Not at the top yet. But all the incline is finished, hopefully. The camera's not even picking up the city view that I see, unfortunately, but it is quite breathtaking. I can't believe I made it. An hour in. Who am I? Who is this woman? So about an hour and 7 minutes in, you start to smell the acid from the Ijen Lake. We have these masks that we're donning now. You putting yours on? No, not yet?
Yes, I will.
Oh, he said yes, I will. Oh God, wait. Oh, wow. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, so we've made it to the summit of Mount Ijen. Can't see anything quite yet because it's still dark, but now we are going to go down to the crater. On the way, we may see some miners who are working. Here are the baskets that the miners are carrying it in. Wow. We're going all the way down there. I cannot believe it. This is absolutely insane. This is insane, Justice. No, this is not easy. Oh, shit. Those are the lights of everyone coming down the mountain.
Oh, I can't let him take my soul. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get.
The night time has passed. This view down at the bottom of the crater here is just so peaceful. I can feel the water. I don't smell the acid as strong as it was a little earlier, but the heat from the water is, I can feel it, it's blazing. The blue fire is the largest blue flame area in the world. As you can see, it's pretty popular now. So beautiful. You ready, Justice?
I'm ready when you're ready.
I'm ready. I honestly can't believe I did it. It took 2 hours. Now we got to go back up, but I'm here. Despite the fear. And my legs and my groin and everything else hurting.
You know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of
Guys, I'm asking Justice how long it's going to take us to hike all the way back up. He said not too long. It took us 2 hours to get down here. So I am dreading this rocky road.
But you guys can see the view. It's a beautiful.
It is a fantastic view. Absolutely phenomenal. But getting down here in the dark, just imagine. Y'all know me, how dramatic I am. I wasn't being dramatic this time. I was legit scared. This rocky crater is no joke whatsoever, but we are pushing the envelope and breaking those fears. This is one of the things that I told you about that the miners carry, 200 pounds of sulfur that they've carried on their back, said to be the hardest job in the world. Get paid around $12 to $15 a day. Look at that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
This is a real place. Like, I can't believe that I'm here now. I hiked to get here. I didn't. Like, I did that, huh? I honestly can't believe it. I'm amazed. I don't know who I am. Who am I right now?
nah, no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming.
You want to sit? I'm going to go if you want to
They
sit.
think I'm crazy. I'm gonna see you to hate it.
Exercise.
Oh, good. That makes one of us. So we literally came from the bottom there, and we walked all the way this way, and this just told me that we're walking way up there. That's what his word said.
That's what he said. I can't believe this is. You see the people there? Is it steep?
Half steep and half.
Okay. Okay, we are close. We are actually at the starting point to where we hiked all the way down to the crater. So after 2 hours, 55 minutes, finally back up from the crater. And we're stopping for a snack. Thanks to Justice. I have some, what is this?
That's chocolate sandwich.
Oh, I have a chocolate sandwich. I have, I don't drink milk.
Okay.
Thank you though. I'll take my water. And then a Fit bar.
Thank you, Justice.
You on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get up out the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul.
These are the taxis, very, very tempting. I'm sure my legs will be better, but I'm gonna make this. How long? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do it, make this trek back. Wish me luck, because my legs are wobbly. I mean, can you just imagine having a relaxing ride down the mountain instead of walking back down? What would you guys do? Would you take the taxi or would you walk? Hello, how are you? Hello.
Hello.
The miners, guys. Oh, that was a good dip. So those are the miners that carry the sulfur down to the crater. Obviously, this is what I'm doing. I don't know what I was thinking, but we're doing it anyways. This is what we've resorted to. Taxi. My knees were really giving out on me. I honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. I did it for two reasons. Number one, because it looked so fun and we weren't even halfway down the mountain yet. Number two, because my knees. I am 34 years old and my knees were giving out. That's how you know I'm out of shape. I gotta get my butt back in the gym. Oh, it's my friend. Oh, here's my friend, guys. Hello again. I gave up. Yes. But it's a great decision. That was my friend from when we were down at the crater. We were both lagging behind together. She was taking the smoke and I'm taking the taxi. Oh, this is great. Honestly, I don't even feel bad. This is so fun. I hiked 3 hours. 3. That's a start from not hiking at all, ever. And then I hiked a volcano. This deserves. I deserve. Baby, I deserve.
Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time.
So I told Justice earlier that I would feel bad sitting in one of these trolleys for the taxi. But he reminded me, don't feel bad because you're actually providing them work. A lot of them are, this is their job. So that's how you have to look at it. So I don't feel bad because I'm providing work. I'm helping the economy. I'm the workforce. You might as well call me work one. Honestly, y'all, this is the best thing ever. That is so fun. I love it.
Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak.
See the village. We're close. In sight. Almost there. Finally made it back to the beginning point.
So now we have an hour drive back to the hostel. Then I have another journey ahead of me to get to Bali.
Just wanna let you know.